Good evening. Tonight I'm going to teach you this dimension style again because this dimension is not clear here. If you see this sign should be clear in the drawing. You should increase this line. This red line should be more clear when you can read this one. For that, let us go to dimension and dimension style and modify again. Modify. Why the line is looking very small? Because the arrow size you have to change. Let us put 0.25. Say OK. Set current and close. Again, not change anything. You see. So dimension style. Then modify. Center mark and mark line. Break size. Arc length and program. So symbol and arrow line go here. See here what you see here, the extension line. Let us change the color of extension line green. See, you can see here it comes green color. Line is this always. If you this extends line, so no surface. Okay, so extend beyond the dimension line. See here default is point. Let us increase this one. Not sufficient. Put by hand 0.25. Offset from origin. This is origin. This is origin. So how much clear distance required in here? Let us put this also 0.25. 0.25 or 0.25 and let's just check if it comes okay, that is okay. If not, we will again change it. Say okay. Say set current close. See this is not coming again. This line also not coming again yet. This line is okay. So this is not. I want to fix it. This line very short. Now it is coming point. I put 0.25. Very small is coming. Let us put here 1. Dimension style modify. Offset. Let us increase the offset 1. Okay. Set current close. No, it is not coming. Let us put again change dimension style modify. Let us put this is 2 and this one 3. This one 3, but this one 2 is too much. Let's see, 2 is too much coming. So let us put this one 1 and this one 2. Let us check. Okay. Set current close. See, it's okay. I think it is okay. this arrow, I want to make this arrow little bit greater. Okay, this arrow little bit greater. So far, dimension style, modify. What I have to change here is uh, what is this? This is baseline. This size. Let us change this size. Baseline spacing. This baseline spacing is okay, not important. Extension, this is okay. Fixed length, extension line length. So we cannot, I think we cannot change. We cannot make this line arrow symbol, and let us put here symbol and arrow. Here arrow size, let us increase arrow size 1. Arrow size also 1. Let us see. Okay, set current, close. Now you can clearly see the arrow also very nicely. So now see this size also little bit increased, Okay, again I want just this length reduce, this screen length reduce, this spacing I want to increase. Again dimension style, modify. Where we have to go in line, and here I will put 3. Okay, set current, close. Now this is okay. If you again want to reduce, you can put 0, or you can put 4. Dimension style, modify, line, here just put 4. Check. Okay, no, this is coming. Let us set current, close. So it's okay. Now the actual what I want to make is come now. Dimension. Now the dimension is fixed. Dimension is, we can draw one line from here to here. Enter. Let us keep the dimension. See, this is okay, nearly okay. 24.10 inch. Let us draw one 2-room building. For example, offset 0.75 is 9 inch wall thickness. See, this is 9 inch wall thickness. 9 inch wall thickness. Let us offset 49.10 inch. Offset 49.10 inch. Offset 49.10 inch means 83. Enter. From here, see, this line is close. Again from here, 49. Okay. Let us extend here to join these two lines. Extend. So now from here again offset 24.10, 24.83. Enter. From here to here, and again from here to here, this to here. Let us make extend here, extend extend here, extend. So this is once again. Let us 25. Let us make 2 room here. So 25 feet offset. This is offset 25 feet enter. From here to here offset. From here to here offset. See, we have got 2 room. Let us keep the dimension, internal dimension. From here to here, see 9 inch. Okay, now we can give the continue dimension here by here. See, up to this point, up to this point, up to this point, and this point. Okay, in this way we can fix the dimension in the drawing. So let us divide this 2 room into 4 room. So offset 12 feet enter. From here to here 12 feet. From here to here also 12 feet. Now we have got 4 room. Let us keep the dimension in vertical. Dimension from here to here, let us fix here 9 inch. Now again continue the dimension from this point to this point line. Continuous dimension from this point to this point line. Why not come? Dimension, let us from here to here 12 feet. Again shift here, again dimension from this point to this point, and this point and this one. So this is 12 feet, this is 9 inch, and this is 12 feet, this is 9 inch. See here, this is 10 inch. This is 9 inch. So okay, this from here to here 12 inch. So in this way we have to draw the room, and we have to give the dimension likewise. You can give linear dimension and continuous dimension, which is easy. So tomorrow I will teach another lesson in which how we can make in this building a door and window and hatching, so on. I would like to request you to subscribe this video, and good evening or good night to all of you. Thank you.